Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see YouTube channel subscriptions list. So what you will have to gonna do, you will just simply open the YouTube app on the Android device or iOS. So when it's open the YouTube app, you will see the interface of like this, and you will see in the bottom right you will see the red dot of subscriptions. You will have to just click to the subscriptions, where you can see this, you can subscribe the all channels. So if you want to see the all, you have to click to the other top right corner, and you will see the all subscriptions from there. So you can see the all channels you have subscribed are there. So it's very easy and simple to see the subscriptions on YouTube. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.